Okay, the first problem, number series, letter series. This is an example. This is an example how it will be. Number series, it will be dealing with the digits, numbers, and letter series, it will be dealing with the alphabets. Maximum, it will be dealing with the alphabets. And special symbols, rarely it will come. There may be mixed series also, numbers and letters together. In the first question or in the first example, if you see 2, 5, 9, 19, 37, what is the next number? 2, 5. If you get answer, kindly post in the chat box. If you are getting answer, kindly post in the chat box. So you can see here, this is addition of plus 3. Okay, this is addition of plus 4. Then it is addition of 10 or any other logic you can see. Number series, what is the next number? Here how I will take into 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1, 5 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. Okay, 9 into 2, 18 plus 1 is 19. And here into 2 minus 1, 19 into 2 is 38. Okay, minus 1 is 37. Now what is the next thing you should come across? It is into 2 plus 1, 37 into 2 plus 1. Okay, it is 14, 1 reminder, 7 plus 1 means 75 is the answer. 75 is the answer. Okay, next number, next question. You can see 4, 6, 12, 4, 6, 12, 14, 28, 30. What is the next number? Okay, what is the next number? Here you can see this is plus 2. Okay, this is into 2 and again plus 2. Next is it is into 2. Next is addition plus 2. Next we have to follow into 2 alternatively. Okay, 30 into 2 is 60. 30 into 2 is 60. Next question, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8, 7 by 16. You can take denominator separately. Okay, you can take denominator separately. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. Denominator is 32. Numerator you can check. It is 1, 3, 5, 7. Next number should be 9. 9 by 32 is the answer. 9 by 32 is the answer. Okay. Next I am going with the alphabet series. I am going with the alphabet series. A, C, F, J. What is the next two letters? A, C, F, J. What is the next two letters? In the alphabets, we will have A, B, C. Okay, then D, E, F, G, H, I. You can observe what is going on. One letter is skipped. Okay, then two letters are skipped. Then three letters are skipped. Next, you have to skip four letters after J. Okay, four letters after J. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Next is O. O should be the first answer. Okay. Then you have to skip five letters. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Five letters. Then U. Okay. U should come. I think U should come in the second fill. Okay. You are having alphabets. You are having alphabets. There is some logic. Once we put the pen on paper, we will understand what is the logic going on. Though you by heart many things, we will forget. Okay, just we have to go with alphabets and it will help us. Next question, alphabet series, A, C, F, H. Okay, here we have A, B, C. Then we have D, E, F, G, H. Okay, then we have after H, I, J. Then K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, P, Q, R, S, T. You might have observed what is the series going on. So A and C is given. In between one letter is skipped. Okay, first combination is AC and B is skipped here, and second combination is FH. Two letters are skipped in between. In FH, G is skipped in between. After the second combination, IJ is skipped. 2 letters in the alphabets are skipped. Then KLM, L is skipped, KM is the third combination. And after this, NO, 2 letters are skipped. Then PQR, the in between, Q is skipped. So PR is the next combination. After that, we have to skip ST, 2 letters we have to skip. Then after ST, UV, W, okay? PQ, R, ST, U, V, W. In between, the letter should be skipped. UW should come. Okay, UW. If still more, we have to write 2 letters we have to skip after W. After W, it is XY. Okay, then we have to take 3 combinations. After Z, again, we can rotate AB. A should be skipped, Z and B. Okay, like that. So this is the series going on. Once we put pen on paper, we will understand there is some logic. These are examples, number series and alphabet series. I'm going with the first problem. 4, 8, 28, 80 to 44. What is the next number? 4, 8, 28, 80 to 44. Okay, what is the next number? If you get answer, kindly post in the chat box. Just observe. Okay, try to do along with me. These are like games. Okay. 4, 8, 28, 80 to 44. Do we find any logic? Let me try. If I take this is 4 into 2. Okay, then it is 4 into 7. Then it is 4 into 20. I'm not finding anything. 61, 4 into 61. I'm not getting any logic. Okay. Square, cube, anything you can try. Square, cube, anything you can try. What is the question mark value? What is the question mark value? Upon practice only we will get. So first one is 3 square plus 1. Okay, first one 4 has come as 3 square plus 1. Okay, what I have written is wrong. 4 is nothing but 3 square plus 1. Then it is 3 square, not 3 square, 3 power 1 plus 1. 3 power 1 plus 1, which is 4. Then 8, how it comes? 3 square minus 1 is 8. Then next is 3 cube, okay, plus 1. Next is 3 power 4 minus 1. Next 3 power 5 plus 1. Next is 3 power 6 minus 1 should come. 3 power 6 minus 1, okay. What is the value? Just you can calculate. 27 into 27 is 3 power 6. 49, 4, 18, 14, 1, 5, then 9, 12, 1, 7. 729. Minus 1 means 728. Okay, 728 is the answer. This is the hint. This is the hint by the side, but always we cannot get the hint in question paper. Okay, just upon practice we will get ideas. 728 is the answer. Next problem. Here at least we will try this question mark. What is the missing number? Question mark. You can see what is the missing number. Just observe. You can check 3, then 6. Alternately also there may be some logic. Not only continuously, alternately also there may be some logic. Okay. Alternately we have 3, 6, 9, 12, next comes 15, like that. Then odd locations we can see after 1 it is 3, after 3 it is 7. Okay. Then here first even locations, already some standard logic is there. We don't have any question mark in the even locations. We have question mark only in the odd locations. If you get answer, kindly post in the chat box or unmute and speak out. Okay, no problem. Next, odd locations I have here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Then 7 plus 6, if I do, it will be 13. Then if I take 13 plus 8, it is 21. It is tallied. Roughly I tried. It is tallied. So the answer is 13. 1, 3. Okay. 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay. I'm going with the next question. You can try 1, 9. Question mark value we have to find out. question mark value we have to find out. 1, 9, 25, 49, question mark 121. Okay, it is very clear. This is 1 square, this is 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, next should be 9 square, this is 11 square. Now the answer is 9 square means 81. Okay, so roughly if you observe 9, 25, 49, immediately squares will come. So if you put pen on paper, then we will get some logic. Okay, sometimes we may get stuck, but we have to try with pen on paper. Simply mind logic, every time it will not give the fastness. Now the answer is 81. 9 square is 81. Okay, I'm going with the next problem. 4, 7, 12, 28. 4, 7, 12, 28. 19, 28, 19, 28, then question mark. Okay, so just I will try. 4 plus 3, it is coming to 7. 7 plus 5, okay. Yes, 12 plus 7 is 19. 19 plus 9. Now you can say what is the final answer. Okay, it is addition. Plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Next addition should be plus 11. Next addition should be plus 11. 28 plus 11 is 39. 28 plus 11 is 39. Okay, we cannot by heart our answers for all the questions. Just upon practice, we will get some ideas. Okay, only thing we have to put pen on paper and then try. Next problem, 125, 125, 80, 45, 20. What is the next? What is the next one? Okay, all are multiples of 5. We can see this is 5 into 25. This is 5 into 16. This is 5 into 9. This is 5 into 4. You see any logic here? You see any logic? Kindly try. If you get answer, post in the chat box. Post in the chat box. This 25 is nothing but 5 square. Okay. This 16 is nothing but 4 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. This 4 is nothing but 2 square. Next should come 1 square. Okay, multiplication of 5 with 1 square. Now, if you get answer at any moment, kindly post in the chat box. Kindly post in the chat box. Here we should have 5 into 1 square is 1. So the answer is 5. Okay, answer is 5. Okay, there may be some other, here you can see there may be some other pattern, but the answer is correct. Answer is correct. There may be logics, 2-3 logics, but however, answer will come correctly. Now, the next question, what is the question mark value? 4, 12, 36, 108. You can see here, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 3, 36, 36 into 3, whether it is 108, you can just multiply and check. 18, 1 remainder, 10. It is satisfied. Next, 108 into 3. What is the answer? 108 into 3. So it is 24, 2, then 3. 324 I am getting. 324 is the answer. Okay. So just simply trying, that's all. 324 is the answer. These logics are very, very simple. There may be questions in a more tough way, but not for our exam. In your placement or somewhere, you may get little 2